Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change Python versions in Visual Studio Code. So if you have recently installed a Python version or another Python version on your device, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do is you'll just need to install that Python version that you have. So as you can see, I'm currently using this specific Python and I have installed this onto my device. But if you have another one yet, just simply click onto it, follow in the prompts to go ahead and install that. Then right after, the next thing that you could do, once it is installed, it should be directly recognized by the system. So if you click onto a Python file, just like what I have in here, you should be able to see the Python version that I have here onto the bottom part. So you'll just have to simply click onto that. And then right after here onto the interpreters, you should be able to find in the other Python that you have recently installed. So this one is the recommended one, but if you have another that you have recently installed, you'll just have to simply click onto it and it should change the version that you're using. That is just basically it, how you change a Python version in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.